Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here is the daily recap video. It is Tuesday, August 28th, and we're taking a look here at the ES. Really a mixed day today. We had rallied up past 2900, got up to about 2906 on the ES here today, and then reversed. You can see on this 15-minute day session only, the first 15 minutes is painted pink, and you can see we basically rallied up on the open and then closed lower and really trended lower most of the morning, and then we found some support. You can see on the 60-minute and also on this 15-minute, basically a lot of buying pressure. You see these wicks down below here and kind of a breakout area above that, and then some consolidation with some more wicks. And you kind of had this gap underneath, and it's basically from yesterday's trading that we really just stayed up above and couldn't get any lower. We were hoping that we could get back down to this 28.90 and get long in here, retest the origin of the gap here on the ES, but it didn't materialize today. So there were some other opportunities that we were able to take advantage of early on in the morning. Bigger picture, you can see here on this daily chart that we basically have a really nice looking doji after a couple big impulse candles, impulse move to the upside. We've cleared the previous highs, the all-time highs, and so we're going to see if this trend is going to continue and the market wants to push higher, and if it does, we're going to be looking to get long, probably around this 2900 area, wait for the setup to occur and then take this up further. But there is some potential for a reversal. There is some room to the downside to get a nice little pullback. We got our eyes on this 2860 area, 2880. You may see some sort of a bounce as well. Shorter term, again, maybe looking at this tomorrow if we can't get that little bit of a pullback, is this 2890 area, 2887. A couple trade ideas that we're looking at here in the next couple days. Other than that, gold sitting at around $1,200 an ounce. The other markets were basically flat today, little mixed. VIX is sitting at basically 12.5, 13. Oil's between 65 and 70 bucks a barrel. So, not a lot of activity today. Really range bound. One interesting note, and check out the link in the description below for that video, but basically the yield curve has continued to move its way towards inversion. We're at 19 basis points last I checked between the 10-year and the 2-year, and that's the most popular spread that everybody looks at, that you'd want to look at to kind of get an idea of where we're at in the cycle. And we're sticking to our forecast of seeing rates invert closer to December, October, November, December, probably closer to December, and then at that point it's going to be it should be really interesting. The Fed should be hiking another 2 times going into the end of the year, so September and December, and we'll see where that puts yields and also the market. But click the link below, check out the video on the yield curve. Other than that, we'll see you guys later this week. Potentially we're going to do a live stream tomorrow. We'll keep you posted on social media. Other than that, hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time. Have a good night.